Monitoring the Future has been documenting for the last 3 years that more youth use e-cigarettes than use traditional cigarettes. That really is a surprise to many people, that teenagers are using e-cigarettes even though they've never used another form of tobacco first. So this may be what they're beginning to experiment with. But we have seen some positive developments in that in the 2016 data, we see a slight decline in the number of youth that are reporting e-cigarettes. We already know that the youth that are taking up e-cigarettes are more likely to make that transition to traditional combustible tobacco than youth that don't use e-cigarettes. So those that start with e-cigarettes make that transition to combustible tobacco more readily. We know that from some longitudinal studies that NIDA has supported. But what we don't know is necessarily, is this due to the nicotine or is it due to the learned behavior? What's in these products? So there's some very basic information that's missing. What's in the e-cigarette products, and so what are youth exposed to on a regular basis when they're trying these new devices? Well, hookahs became extremely popular just a few years ago. We started seeing hookah bars for young adults or older adults, and the teenagers are not immune from that. They're curious about the same things that they see young adults and others using, and so we saw a surprising number, close to 20% using hookah just a couple years ago. We do see some improvements in the 2016 data, that there are fewer using these hookah forms of tobacco in the 2016 data.